What if you had a brilliant assistant available 24/7? One who could write, explain, brainstorm, debug code, and answer almost any question? That's Claude. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you everything you need to get started, from creating an account to having your very first powerful conversation. Let's go. What is Claude? Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. Think of it as a conversation partner that understands natural language, meaning you just talk to it like a real person. No special commands needed. What can Claude do? You can ask it to write an essay, summarize a long document, explain a complicated topic in simple terms, help with coding, or just brainstorm ideas. Claude is designed to be helpful, honest, and safe. It won't make things up to impress you. If it doesn't know something, it'll say so honestly. Getting started. Right, let's get you set up. Head over to Claude.ai. It's CLAUDE.ai. Now, once you enter Claude.ai, you'll see a clean landing page. In order to sign up, there are two options. Either you could just continue with your Google email address, or you could just continue with any email address. Platform overview. Once you verified your email, you're in. This is the interface you'll see. The first thing you can see is it says a free plan. Now the free plan is actually very useful, and that's what we'll stick with in these videos. You get a solid number of messages per day. If you need more, there are actually more plans. So let's click on upgrade and have a look at all the plans. So there's a pro plan, which has a higher tier. There's a max plan with an even higher tier and more limits. And then there's also team and enterprises. Once you're logged in, the layout is very simple. On the left side, you have your communication history. You'll see the open sidebar button. We can click that. Now, this is all about your conversations. A new conversation, search your previous conversations. If you want to include any apps into Claude, you want to search for specific chats, you want to search for any projects that have happened, so you can find all of this in the sidebar. Now, in the middle, this is your main chat area. At the bottom is your text box. This is where you would be entering prompts. Here are the different versions of Claude. There's Opus 4.7, that's a paid version. Then 4.6, that's the best version that's available for free. Then 4.5 if you want quick answers. And if you want complex tasks to be solved, then you could just turn on the extended thinking option. Apart from that, if you have a very long prompt, you can just use voice mode. There won't be any need to type anything. You would just record everything by voice. Now, here's a plus icon. If I click that, here by the paperclip option, add files or photos, you could add PDFs, documents, audios, videos. You could do a lot in Claude. And right at the top right, this monster icon is the incognito mode for Claude. If you don't want chats to be saved, it's actually pretty good to not fully trust AI, then just use incognito mode. Now, you might be wondering, where are settings? Well, do you see the circle that includes your initials at the bottom left? You'll see the settings option. Under settings, you'll find various options, including for your privacy, for your account details, for billing, for upgrading plans, whatever. You'll find all these options in settings. Your first prompt. Now, let's send our first message. I'll click the text box below and type something very simple. Explain how the internet works in simple terms. Either press enter or click the arrow. Now, here's the message we got. Watch how Claude responds. It streams the answer in real time, word by word. Notice how detailed and clear it is. Now, I can just keep the conversation going. Let me type, can you make it even more simpler for a 10-year-old? Now, let's see what Claude says. You'll actually love it. So Claude adjusts the tone as per our requirement. That's the power here. You can iterate, refine, and guide Claude just by talking to it naturally. Pro tip 1. It's very important to understand the difference between a vague prompt and a detailed prompt. A vague prompt like on the left side of the screen, is just write me an email. 4 words, no context. Claude would get confused. It would ask you who is the recipient, what is the subject, what tone do you want, what's the purpose. There won't be any clear output. In order to save time, you have to use a detailed prompt, like write a professional email to my manager asking for Friday off. Claude will give you a ready to send accurate email. I want you to see the detailed prompt I put in Claude right now. So now you can see that Claude just prepared two type of emails, a direct one and a reasoning one. And what's more interesting, you can actually send it via Gmail straight away. Let's click on send via Gmail. Now you can see the email is ready to send to my manager, and let's hope he gives me Friday off. Second tip, you can give Claude a role. For instance, you can say act as a personal fitness coach and give me tips for keto diet. Now, whenever you give a role to Claude, it actually gives it the right mindset for your task and makes responses far more relevant, precise, to the point, and professional. Now, the third tip is uploading files. Pro tip 3. If you have a file right here, you can just drag it, or if you don't drag, it's okay. Just go to the plus option, find the paperclip, add files. Then you can add any file, whatever, 30 pages, 40 pages, 50 pages. Then you can add the prompt to summarize the main points of the document. Now, let's have a look at the answer. And that's it. You're ready to use Claude. You've learned what Claude is, how to create your account, how to navigate the interface, and how to get the best results. The best way to learn is to just start experimenting. Ask if it's something you're curious about, give it a task from your work, or just have a conversation. Claude is surprisingly good at all of it. If you find this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments. What's the first thing you're going to ask Claude?